Hello. Do you know what is a global warming? Have you ever think about it? I will try to explain it with simple words from my concept. Let's say as a human being, we emanate gases. The big industries also emanate gases. Cars emanate gases. These gases cause the global warming. Now, what happened with the global warming? The global warming caused the climate changes. If the climate changes, for example, the glaciers, when the glaciers melt excessively, provoke the ocean flood when too much water in the ocean. It can affect the marine life. For example, this too much water can break the eggs of the turtles, and we can have after that endangered species. Just an example. Another example will be prolonged droughts. For example, the farmers will not able to grow the fruits and vegetables because they will not have enough water to do it. They are just a few examples, and now we already see the problem. It is time to look for a solution. I have one solution, and it is recycling. It will be a part for the problem solution. It's the global warming. It's a big problem, but it will be a little solution, a little part of the solution. And I specific asking for maybe change our politics in our community about recycling. Recycling will not be our option anymore. It must be mandatory. And the people who do not recycle, the landlord will get to pay a penalty fee, let's say $100, and it will help a lot to recycle and reuse the resources. As you can see here, it's we can work in our community from our houses, from our daily life, contributing as much as we can to fix this problem, the climate change. And we can do also more things like don't waste energy, electricity, do not waste water, etc. That's all I can say about this topic. Thank you very much for listening.